Back in 2016, my grandmother passed. Then 2017, my mom passed. But she had dealt with the whole series of diabetes, kidney failure, cancer, basically everything you can think of. So I've been through the ups and downs, the ambulance calls, and so forth. Towards the end of 2022, something just wasn't right. I felt like in my brain, it was kind of like I'll go about my daily life, but then I would feel like I was always getting numb, or I would just like space out a lot. And I just kind of knocked it off because I was like, oh, well, it's just me. It's just a little thing, it's not something to worry about. Me and my doctor have a great relationship. She knows, just like the stats, I would call her the end of 2022 and say something is totally just not right. One night, I said, no, something's wrong, something's wrong. So she said, I'm going to schedule an MRI. She said, Rosanna, I'm so sorry. You did have a stroke. And at that moment, my mind just went like, whoa, I was just out of it for a while. Months before that, my body was telling me stop. And I kept trying to work until it basically stopped for me. And I felt like I was paralyzed in a sense with my emotions. And I was scared. So that's when I started focusing more on self care. I created a 30-day self care journal. I started really focusing on gardening. I guess I would say I started setting boundaries with myself because I was always that person like, yes, yes, okay, yes. I didn't want to hurt people's feelings. But then I saw that I was hurting myself as far as work. Now I even more so I know what I can and what I can't do. So it's basically setting myself up for success. And I really just been focusing on like, okay, I have a yard space. I can really grow vegetables. I can really grow things I can eat and change my life. I can go for a walk. Let me focus on things that I can do